How to use Mac OS reminders and why you should. The basic Mac OS reminders app received a fresh update back with Monterey. Now the tool is chock full of handy features that can help you remember to get things done. macOS is filled with the tools to help make your life easier, and the busier we get, the more tools we need. I don't know about you, but without reminders, I had been lucky to remember half the things I need to get done. Also, how to install the iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone. Oh, helpfully, the latest version of reminders found in macOS Ventura brings some new features such as organizing reminders by time and date, point list, templates, text formatting, and lists completed section for when you complete a task, notification tags. I have used many reminder tool, and macOS Reminder is hands down one of the most enjoyable to work with. Not only does it seamlessly fit in with the macOS UI, but it's also very easy to use and includes a widget for the slide out sidebar for even easier access. Even better, you can configure notification for specific time or even location. For example, you might have a shopping list for Target. You can set up a reminder that will pop up when you arrive at Target, so you shall remember to check your shopping list. Also, here every iPhone model that will get Apple iOS 17. Now that I have piqued your interest, let's see how reminders works. How to create a list. What you shall need: the only thing you need is a macOS computer running macOS 10.8 Mountain Lion. Letter reminders is also available for iOS, but I don't use Apple phones, so I shall focus on the desktop version of the app. One, open reminders. You can open reminders from the launchpad. Click the launchpad icon, locate the reminders app, and click the launcher. Second, create your first list. A list is not a reminder, although you can add reminders to list items. To create your first list, click the plus sign at the bottom negative left corner of the reminders window. Also, here how to factory reset your iPhone. In the resulting pop-up, give the list a name and select a color. Click OK when you are done. Third, add items to your list. Once you have created the list, make sure to select it in the left pane with the list selected. Click plus in the upper right corner of the reminders window to add your first item to the list. Also, how to transfer data from Android to an iPhone. Once on the new bullet point, type the list item and hit enter on your keyboard to add another bullet point. Add a reminder for a list item. Let's say you have an item on your list that has to be taken care of at a specific time. Hover your cursor over that item to reveal an eye with a circle around it. Click the eye and new pop-up will open where you can add a note, set a date or location, and even set the priority of the item. How to create a reminder. Adding a reminder is very similar to adding a list. Select a reminder in the My List pane and click plus in the top right corner of the reminders window.